You guys, it's our last chapter from the study guide, 13, Probability and Statistics. Okay, so a coach needs to choose 2 players from the hockey team to be captain and co-captain. If there are 25 people on the team, how many ways can he assign? That means the order is going to matter, right? 2 roles. So you are going to do 25. The bigger number always comes first. He's going to do a permutation or pick 2. And when you plug that into your calculator, you will get 600. All right. And then we have number 63. Amy has 10 good friends. She needs to choose 4 of them to be her bridesmaids. How many ways can she choose 4 of them? Right. This would be a combination. So there's 10, and she's going to choose 4. All right. When you plug that into your calculator, you will get 210. Remind me to show you permutations and combinations on your calculator if you can't remember. Okay, so if you reach into a box full of crayons and 14 are red and 10 are purple, 12 are green and 7 are yellow, find the probability that you choose a green. That will be our first one. Okay, first thing you want to do is add them up, and you'll get there's 43 crayons total. All right, so green, there's 12 greens out of 43, right? I would divide that down, and I would get 27.9%. And a red or a purple crayon, that means the or, we're going to add them together. All right, so there's 14 out of 43 for the red, and there are 10 out of 43 for the purple. That would give you 24 out of 43. Divide that down into a decimal, and you would get 55.81%. Okay, so let me find where I am in my study guide. Oh, and now, referring back to the same problem, you're going to want to choose a purple. You don't replace it, and then you pick another purple. So there was 10 purples, 10 out of 43. You're not replacing it this time. So now there's only 9 purples and only 42 crayons. You're going to multiply those together, get 90 over 1806. Divide that down into a decimal and a percent, and you would get 4.98%. All right, this time we're choosing a red. There's 14 out of 43 reds. We are replacing it, and then we're picking a yellow. So 7 yellows and back to 43 because we put whatever that, the red one back. So 98 over 1849. You divide that down, and you get 5.30%. Okay, you choose a crayon that is not yellow. You're going to add up all the crayons that aren't yellow. All right, and there's 14 plus 10 plus 12, and that will give you 36 non-yellow crayons out of 43. Divide that down, you'll get 83.72%. Okay, next question. How many 4-digit passwords, so 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and digits, letting you know there's numbers, can be created if the first digit cannot be a 2 or a 3, and the last digit cannot be a 0. All right, so the first digit can't be a 2 or a 3. That means I only have 8 numbers to choose from. Instead of 10, I only have 8. And then for the next 2, you still have 10, and then the last one, you can't use 0, so you only have 9 options. You'll multiply those all together and get 800. And then here, how many different ways can the word infinity be arranged? Well, we want to count those letters first, and we see that there's 8 letters. But we also see that there are some repeats, right? Aren't there 3 I's? So we're going to divide it by 3, and we're also going to identify that there are 2 N's. So we're going to multiply those out and divide them, And when you do that, you will get 3,360. Okay.
Jasmine Custer, please come to the attendance windows. Jasmine Custer to the attendance windows.
Now we get to draw a Venn diagram. So out of 100 lifeguards, 31 have seen a shark, 53 have seen a dolphin, while 10 of those have seen a dolphin and a shark. If a lifeguard is chosen at random, what is the probability they have seen a shark given they have seen a dolphin? So let's go ahead and draw our two circles. All right, 10 of them have seen both. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go, this is going to be shark and this is going to be dolphin. All right, 31 have seen a shark, so we're going to subtract that 10 and get 21 here. All right, and then we're going to take the 53 for dolphin and subtract 10 and get 43. If I add those numbers up, they don't quite add to 100. I'm a bit short, so there's 26 people left in the universe that haven't seen either. So then we want to know what's the probability that they've seen a shark, so they've seen a shark given that they've seen a dolphin. So they for sure have to see a dolphin. Everybody that's seen a dolphin, that's 53. Of those people that have seen a dolphin, 10 of them have also seen a shark. That would be the proportion I'd set up. And when I write it as a decimal, divide them, I get 18.87%. Okay, now here, Chloe brought 10 new shirts, 4 new pants, and 2 new jackets. How many different ways can she wear her clothes? So 10 times 4 times 2 would give you 80. She has 80 different outfit combinations. Right, we want to see the total, so we're just going to multiply the 3 together. What's our sample space, kind of? Okay, so if you flip a coin, then roll a dice, what's the probability of rolling 2 tails, then rolling a 6? All right, so we're going to, the probability of flipping and getting a tail is 1/2. And you want to get another tail, so times another 1/2. And then you want to roll a 6. Well, there's only one possibility of getting a 6. So you would multiply these all together, get 1/24, and that would be 4.17%. And congratulations, guys, you are done with your study guide.